Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Ninja Blender BN Series 30 turns on, displays counter, but it is not spinning the blender. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to repair, because we will deal with live voltage. Take care for the safety. It is 110 volt operated. Turns on, displays counter. When profile is selected, timer starts, but jug is not spinning. The blender is not working. Let's fix it. When I remove jug, the dashes are flashing. That means the safety switch is working good. The jug is not spinning. First we will check motor continuity. Multimeter to ohms. Motor is showing 3.3 ohm resistance. That's good. Motor is clear. Here it is using voltage dropper circuit, transformer less power supply, so all the circuit is unisolated. When power is applied, we will take special care. We will not touch any component because all circuit is live. Now we have one symptom, that its display is turning on. That means its one power supply is working good. One is low voltage power supply, second is slightly high voltage power supply, that is, might be 12 volt, 15 volt, sometimes 5 volt power supply for microprocessor, microcontroller. Let's check power on these both capacitors. Yes, display is on. Let's check voltage. DC voltage 5 volt. Now check voltage on this capacitor. No voltage. 0.026 volt. Something wrong here. Disconnected power. Diode. Good. Good. Open circuit. Good. Zener diode. Short circuit. Short circuit. Short circuit. Short circuit. This Zener diode good. Good. We also need to check this capacitor. Yes, short circuit. (107 microfarad). Capacitor good. (85C 5V6) 5.6 volt Zener diode. Basically its number is BZX85C 5V6, 1 watt or 1.3 watt, 5.6 volt Zener diode. ZD3 short circuit. Short circuit. (85C 5V6) positive line, and this negative line is reaching here in the outer side. It is reaching to this Q43. It is as a trigger to generate trigger signal. Check this Q43. Oh, good. That means our problem just only in input line in this power supply section. And if we check, this is negative line. Anode, cathode. This cathode is connected to this anode, and this is here. I have 6.2 volts Zener. I am using it just for test purpose. There is no big difference in the voltage, 5.6 and 6.2. I think it will save, but if the circuit works, then I will purchase new components with same voltage rating, 5.6 volt. DC voltage, yes, we have 12.37 volt. Before this here was 0 volt, but now voltage are present. Fantastic. Now we are confident that the circuit is clear. I will remove 6.2 volt Zeners and I will arrange 5.6 volt Zener diodes here, and then I will pack it up. If you enjoyed this troubleshooting, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.